Hi Omkar,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Good, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback from your side.
It will be glad to give a feedback regarding CMTI.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Omkar.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Omkar, can you just introduce about yourself and about your native?
Yeah, myself Omkar from Gulbarga, and I just completed my engineering at Shetty Institute of Technology, Gulbarga, and I am from Gulbarga. Actually.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI?
One of my super senior friend, she just referred me, which was very good.
Okay, like what you have chosen in CMTI, which course you have attended?
I just gone through certification course on construction management as well as building information model, which was a combo course here, and just I choose it.
Okay, like before joining here, you had any experience?
Yeah. Before joining here, I was having a 4.5 years of experience, and after that, I just came here to upgrade myself in planning software as well as BI.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, like what are the site visit you have attended and the industrial visit? What you have gained from that?
Yeah, there were a few site visits that I gone through, like a green building and all. There, I just there I was just about to learn what all the things means which could be reusable and sustainable in environment that could be gone through. Yeah.
Okay, like industrial visits, where all you have attended?
Just to visit, one was that the plywood factory where the manufacturing of the modern cupboards like modular kitchen and all was going on. There we gone through and learned some new things about interior.
That's nice. Like how was your software sessions held? Which are the softwares you have covered here?
Yeah, it was SketchUp and Rivet architecture, and as well as yeah, that's it.
Okay, like can you say about the trainers, how they supported you, how they helped you out?
Somewhat in 4 years of experience, I was just forgetting few things that they just brushed me up and made me understand that these all the things will also be included in the construction, and that was the thing that the trainers helped me till then.
Yeah, that's nice. Like how was your placement procedure in CMTI? How they helped you out?
Placement procedure was lot bit more waiting. That's it, I can say. But after waiting, I also got a good opportunity in the company, and I got placed at the company as a QS engineer.
Okay, like can you just say about the previous company and compared to now, how much it has been hacked for you?
Yeah, the in previous company I was as a QS and a site engineer, and now I'm just moving professionally into a QS, and the salary hike was around 12%.
Okay, that's nice. I think you are happy with your salary at
Yeah,
present.
I'm happy with the salary.
Okay, like how was the coordinator and staff support towards you?
The support was too comparatively too supportive, and they were too supportive in terms of all the classes as well as the study materials, and in supportive to online classes which we also missed. They were also supportive, like the reminders that you just go through these all the classes. They were too supportive. Coordinators were too supportive.
Yeah, that's nice. Like how the CMTA app helped you out. What are the benefit of app?
What all the sessions I missed, it was pre-recorded there, so that all it helped.
Yeah, that's nice. Like finally, how was the Ashok sir support towards you? How they supported you?
Quite good in terms of a placement and in terms of upgrading myself.
Okay, that's nice. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
To my friends, I would like to just suggest that if they want to upgrade themselves, then they can come and they can join CMTI with the proper information collecting about CMTI and all, and they can join.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay.
And I can say one thing that for the freshers who all are just passed out from the engineering, it's a good platform. They'll teach how to tackle that. What I can say.
Okay, that's nice of you. Like, thank you, Omkar, for your feedback.
Thank you.
Congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Sure. Thank you.